Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. So we are back with the results of close-up coins, 10 commemorative 50p coins to guess. Let's go through them all in this video and then see how many of you guessed them all correct. All of the coins are actually in the album that you see in the coin hunt videos as well. And you're probably kicking yourself now because you do see these coins every day if you did struggle along the way. The first coin then was the Olympic boxing, and we've kept to the Olympic theme for coin number 2, which was the Olympic fencing. Still in the Olympic mood, number 3, a lot of you got this one correct. It's the rarest of those Olympics, the offside explained 50p coin. We move on then to number 4. Again, another Olympic 50p coin. This one actually one of the fan favourites, if not our favourite Olympic coin. It's the Olympic cycling with the cyclist there going around the velodrome. We switch then from the Olympics to a Paddington. This one then, Paddington Bear at the station. A lot of you guessed this one correct. This is actually, I believe, the hardest Paddington to find in your change. A huge shout out if you have managed to find all 4 of those Paddingtons. We move then to the Beatrix Potter coin set for this one. And actually the fan favourite Beatrix Potter, it's the 2018 Flopsy Bunny. Coin number 7 is another 2018 coin. Unfortunately, this man isn't from the Beatrix Potter set. He's off the 1918 representation of the people at coin. Number 8 then, this one an absolute stunner. I'm sure a lot of you have had this one in your change. The Christopher Ironside 50p coin. We move on then to number 9, a coin that a few people did struggle with. This one then, you're probably kicking yourself. It's from the Victoria Cross Heroics Act, one of 2 Victoria Cross coins to be released in 2006. We finish off then with coin number 10, back to the Beatrix Potters, the Jemima Puddle Duck 50p, currently the most valuable of those Beatrix Potter coins. Unbelievably, we've got a lot of people getting 10 right again. After this video, there is going to be another close-up coins, and I'm going to try and see if I can beat you all. But beating me today, we have got Ian Strudwick, Norman Graham, Yellow Lighthouse, Squirreling Coins, Smithy 7890. We've also got Andy Vickers, Chrissy Cross and Curtis McElroy. A huge shout out to all of you there for getting all 10 correct. Can I beat you in the next video? You'll have to wait and see. A huge shout out again to everyone that played along. Hope you've all had a lovely day. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.